We're going to be doing gingerbread house demolition today. And what's the best way? Shooting them. Haha. For today's demolition, we'll be using these rounds. Let's see how they go with a 22. But we have a backup house. Ta-da! Here's the old house, and we have the backup house in place. And now we're going to move up to 762 by 39. Done? Mm-hmm. All right, we tried to recreate what we could out of the remnants of the two houses. So it kind of looks like a cheap tenement here. And now we're going to upgrade to birdshot on the 12 gauge. All right, now here is 12 gauge.